Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Asana Project Management Tool. My productivity setup review. Asana Project Management Tool is a web-based platform designed to help teams organize, track, and manage their work. It's targeted towards businesses of all sizes, from freelancers to large corporations, looking to improve their project management workflows. Key features include task management, project timelines, team collaboration, and communication tools. Their website provides details on various pricing plans and features. Asana promotes its service as a way to increase team productivity and transparency, streamlining workflows and reducing reliance on email communication. They offer a free plan for basic use and paid plans for more advanced features and larger teams. Asana emphasizes its user-friendly interface and integrations with other popular applications. You can check out their website for a free trial and explore the different plans. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Asana Project Management Tool for my productivity setup. Getting started was quite straightforward. The onboarding process guided me through setting up my first project, adding tasks, and inviting team members. The interface is clean and intuitive, making it easy to navigate between different projects and tasks. I particularly like the Kanban board view for visualizing my workflow. I used it to manage a recent video project, assigning tasks to different team members like scripting, filming, and editing. I found the progress tracking features extremely helpful in keeping the project on schedule. The ability to attach files directly to tasks also streamlined our workflow significantly. We could easily share scripts, storyboards, and video drafts within the platform. Performance was generally good. The platform loaded quickly, and I didn't experience any significant lag or downtime. I had a quick question about integrations and their support team responded within a day via email, which was helpful. I was really impressed by how customizable Asana is, allowing me to tailor it to my specific project needs. The standout feature for me was definitely the timeline view, which provided a clear visual representation of the project schedule and dependencies. One minor drawback was the occasional complexity of the advanced settings. It took me a little while to get used to some of the more granular customization options. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Asana. While it has a slight learning curve for the advanced features, it generally met my needs for project management and improved my team's productivity significantly. That's my overview of Asana Project Management Tool. My productivity setup review. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.